Jai Srimanarayana. 18th sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Karmanya karma yah pasyet akarmani cha karmayaha sabuddhiman मनुष्येषु संयुक्तः कृत्स्नकर्मकृत् ॐ. Gain some knowledge about Srimanarayana and his manifestations. Understand and appreciate the amount of compassion with which Srimanarayana came down in so many manifestations to help all of us. With that knowledge, with that appreciation of Srimanarayana's manifestations, keep doing all your actions, all your duties. That helps you release from all sufferings. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall start learning and understanding about all the manifestations that you have taken and the amount of compassion that you have towards all of us. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Haihaya, the king, the great king, Kartavirya Arjuna, he worshipped Dattam Narayana Amsam Aradhya Parikarmabhihi Bahun Desasatam Lebhe. He worshipped Dattatreya and with his anugraham, mercy, he got, Kartavirya Arjuna got 1,000 shoulders, and also he got such a great amount of effulgence, strength, fame, ashtasiddhis and handsomeness. With all that, he started wandering everywhere in the world. Along with so many girls, he once went to Narmada, the river, and he stopped that entire river's flow with his shoulders and made that river flow in reverse direction. When that Narmada river went in reverse direction, that stream drowned Ravana's Sibiram, Ravana's shelter, which he built on Narmada's banks river at Mahishmatipuram. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 18th sloka. Karmanya karmayah pasyet akarmani cha karmayah sabuddhiman manushyeshu sayuktah kritsna karma krit. Karmanya karmayah pasyet akarmani cha karmayah sabuddhiman manushyeshu sayuktah kritsna karma krit. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.